I love my husband. He gets mad at me because I snore really loud. I have a condition, I don't know if you guys know about this. It's called sleep apnea. If you don't know what sleep apnea is when you're so overweight that your body weight crushes you and murders you while you sleep. Yeah, and you snore really loud as your body fights to stay alive in the nighttime hours. Gets so mad, right? Because I snore so loud, he's got to go sleep on the couch. And I think he should feel bad for me because I am dying in my sleep. Yeah. The other night he slept on the couch and he was so angry, and I was like, you should feel bad for me. Last night I am pretty sure I saw the light. Yeah. And he was like, no, I was shining that in your face to wake you up. Not fair. So nice. Thanks, you guys. Thanks. Trying to lose weight. I don't eat healthy. I don't have what foodies call a refined palate. You know what I mean? Like, I don't enjoy good food. Like, I just eat garbage. Like, not really. Like, nah. But I just, that's how I eat. Nah. It's disturbing to watch. It's very disturbing. But I know I don't have a refined palate. Yeah. And I know that because the other day I was putting sunblock on my face and a little got in my mouth and I was like, that is delicious. Like that SPF 30 has a good rosewood back to it. It's good.